Our next speaker is AJ from Sun Pharma. Oh, right. Sathu, I think you're gonna have to switch off your yeah. AJ, can you hear us? Can you hear me? Welcome
Hi,
back.
good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yes.
How are you doing, sir?
Screen share करना है. मेरा कहाँ गया?
नहीं, अब स्क्रीन शेयर हुई है.
हाँ.
आप उधर जो है वो लोग आपको देख पाएंगे.
हाँ.
तो अभी स्टार्ट है थोड़ी देर से.
हाँ, बस स्टार्ट है.
अच्छा.
Hi, AJ.
अभी क्या? Hi, good morning.
Morning. I think you gotta switch on your camera.
Just hold on. Yes, it is open.
We have the technology. Good morning. You're calling us. You're calling in from India this morning, yeah?
Yeah, good morning, good afternoon. Yeah.
AJ, do you want a minute to get yourself ready?
Yeah. Good morning, Juma. Good morning, Paul and team.
Yes, I think you maybe need to switch off your camera. We may not have enough bandwidth, right? Because you're breaking up. So maybe we have to do this without camera for you. Okay, excellent. So AJ, I'll let you get started into your presentation, and today you're going to present to us a case study on the contextual data for quality control, developing a flexible infrastructure for pursuing digitalization initiatives via MES. That's a mouthful. So
Yes.
sounds very complex.
Yeah. Hi, good morning. I am going to talk about some of the data integrity and regulations talks and about it, how we are. Hello.
Yes, AJ, please continue. We can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. Can I continue? Yes. So we are going to talk with
Please
some
do,
data
sir.
aggregation and contextualizations, and going to cover some significance of data analysis of effective digital transformation and driving process intelligence via integration of data from various sources like MES and quality monitoring through data. And I am going to talk about some pharma industries, because pharma industries has just wetting its feet in digital water.
AJ,
Trying to take a deep
I think you
dive.
need to turn on your presentation, your slides in the presentation mode.
Yeah, just hold on. I have open in presentation mode. Yes.
We can see this. Yes.
Yeah, so we are talking about some pharma industries that just has been wetting its feet in digital water, and why digitalization is required and why MES approach. So digitalization is the establish a quality process in one thing, and repeating process by employees affecting consistency and may lead to data integrity. Since last day we have also discussed a lot of our speakers discuss about data integrities. So that is a hurdle to achieving regulatory compliances, including the establishment of complete product traceability to support future root cause analysis. And this data digitalization connected with MES approach, and this is due to bottom-up culture, is where the lower part of the hierarchy play a major role in boosting innovation and changes within the organization. Sustainable changes start from the bottom where the execution happen. Easier and smooth flow of communication and controls, and bigger ownerships and data integrity and versus digitalization. Data integrity is absolutely critical in pharmaceutical industries to make sure that the end products meet the required pre-approved specification. Data digitalization is critical to the design, implementation, and uses of any system that store, process, and retrieve important data, ensuring that CGMP related data is accurate, trustworthy, and reliable through the data life cycle. Also ensuring that data once recorded cannot be altered. And it is one of the parameter is the ALCOA. This since attribute, legible, contemporaneous, original record, accurate, and this the ALCOA is now converted in plus plus. So after accurate it is started with complete, consistency, and enduring, and available when needed. So these are connected with, as on today, with digitalization. So history of digital transformation, just two slides is there for history. Although computer technology has been around of decades and concept of digital transformation is relative new, it is arrived in the 1990s with the introduction of mainstream internet. Since then, the ability to convert traditional form of media like document and photo into ones and zeros has reduction in importance. What digital technology has brought society today, digitalization touch every part of our life, affecting how we work, shop, travel, and educate. Digital transformation practice are commonly used in the context of business. The introduction of digital technology has sparked the creation of new business model and even revenue system. Some of the emerging technologies are available like AI, cloud, IoT, accelerating transformation, while foundation technology like data management and analytics are needed to analyze the amount of data resulting from digital transformation. How digital transformation work? It's work not only technology, it is the union of people, business, and technology. People, we need the talented people in the organization structure. Business, we need the right business strategy to drive the digitalization. And technology, we have to follow emerging technology like AI, IoT, as well foundation technology. All these three will include component into the organization culture, demand strong leadership from people like CIO, CFO, CEO, MD, directors. If they are ready to implement this technology, will available. Journey of digital transformation is that journey to digital transformation began with the research. Here are three insight rich asset to clarify the topic and put you on the path of success. The CIO perspective, evolving your analytical platform, and here reflecting analytics of the cloud. Here these three is the insights to success, and we have to identify the what are the our requirement as per our industry and our requirement. Why poor data quality? What happened with poor data quality? Its impact on economy, revenue, cost, and profit of the organization, damage brand name, reputation, customer loyalty, and most of the time law and regulations action may also arrive. Data quality, real feedback from some of the stakeholders. They have got a lot of data, but it is hard to connect it. Every company is having lot of data, but they are not connecting with the whenever it is utilized. We should be checking the data before we enter it on the system, but we don't have the time. There is a lack of appreciation of what happened to data from the front end to back end. There is no accountability of bad data quality. Our system don't talk to each other. The industry impact on poor data quality, some of the evidence from BARC 19, 26% of the organization says that their data is inaccurate. Some of the 15 to 25% companies are saying poor data quality cost company And poor data, customer data is costing companies as average of 6% their annual revenue also. Why does data poor quality persist? The data world has become more complex and diffuse. The word change and data modules, the word not recognizing that poor data quality is a business problem, not an IT problem. People will make mistake with data conflict or absence of common data definition and metadata context, lack of accountability for improving data, complex system procedure, and inappropriate design, repetitive data generation of same purpose and activity, inadequate review and checked by procedure. These are the very important. People are not having time to review and check by procedure in the industries. So what are the traditional approach to data quality? Inspection data sources and highlighted data deficiency, omissions and duplication, develop data standard and common data definitions, build business rules for inflows and policies, data standard, automated data cleans, enhancement project, use of business rule definition, embed the standard rules in the both batch and real-time environment and keep the data clean, produce data quality, KPI, and measure the monitor ongoing quality on track wise. This is, I am not an IT problem. It is a business problem. This data quality is the not IT problem. This is the total business problem. People are thinking this is IT problem. No, this data quality is depend on the people, process, and technology. What people? This is the human error, no data accountability, poor training, internal politics, and in the process, poor process design, process failure, flaw goal setting, no aggregate data standard, and technology, data capture and using design failure, multiple data silo, and interface errors, and poor data design and collection. So what technology will give us? Technology, digital entitlement companies layer technology to delight customer and meet business need, having a flexible cloud-enabled platform that include foundational technology like data management and analytics allow business to scale the growth. Some of the technology available like cloud. Cloud gives organization quicker access to data, software, and capabilities. It's offer a fundamental change in service delivery and consumption. AI is used to automated process, especially low-level process done consistently at high speed, such as examining microchips for defect. AA, advanced analytics, an advanced platform bring together all analytics effort from data to discovery to deployment. Analytics turn data into insight with advantage. Analytics, sophisticated algorithms can be woven seamlessly into daily operation. Data management, doing business is a digital word means handling with the stream of structured and unstructured data pouring in form of apparently countless sources. To succeed, organization must be skilled as assessing, preparing, cleaning, managing, and governing the data. Customer intelligence, customer essence is practically synonymous with digital transformation. As organization challenge to meet the challengeable needs to customer, they increasingly depend on the customer intelligence software and tools and understand the segment. IoT also available, being able to analyze diverse data in real time as event happen, gives IoT a place in many transformation projects. This is because gathering data from sensor and connected device is only half the picture. The real value of the IoT comes from being able to analyze the streaming data and take action on quickly. Data analytics, data accelerated, the need, the information and data resulting from digitalization require analytics to unlock the value. On applying advantage, analytics and AI to data, organization can make faster place forwarding think decision. The new age of data quality, because a lot of industries following the new data quality and increasing focus on real-time data validations and improvement at the point of data creation. And business users need more control over the creation and management business of rules. Like end user self-service data quality function is essential, data preparation and formatting, data parsing and cleaning, and data enhancement and enrichment. Tool set must support a wider variety of platform and data types, legacy and big data environment, real-time and batch data, structure, semi-structure, unstructured data types, and data profile, data preparation, and metadata tagging. I think we are moving to the golden age of MES. As we have talking about MES through the years, we have been all over the map. Even now, if you ask half a dozen people the definition of manufacturing execution system, you will luckily get 6 different answers. As we enter manufacturing digital age, however, MES or at least many MES capabilities are increasingly recognized as critical component in the company's smart manufacturing journey. There are 3 reasons the turning point is at hand: the maturity, the terms of tools and techniques. The MES products have become better fit for the market and much more reliable. Technology synergy, as multiple technologies creating new possibility for digital manufacturing. MES being recognized as an important component when combined with other technologies like cloud, industrial, Internet of Things, data analytics, sensor. MES drivers more powerful benefit than ever before. Better understanding, manufacturers have gained a better understanding of the benefits of MES, and more importantly, are seeing the many of the benefits of MES remain untapped. MES and a labor of like digital records are available in with this digitalization in our industries. You launch a product and you have one chance. There is no plan B. Proper control are essential. So we had rather not do it on paper. We would rather have an additional record of it. Cost analysis. The primary reason for conducting cost analysis is generally to determine the true cost of each of the program. You can utilize this knowledge to identify and prioritize cost saving opportunity. Repeatable process on the way of scale. MES help the companies identify and replicate what works and what are the control and revising what does not. Better decision making. MES collect and analyze the data, turning data into information which help the human in the loop to make better decision and quickly. Ultimately, we want to make sure we have the right system for the right task. Understanding MES and smart manufacturing. MES is one of those solutions that you only get out it what you put into it. If you think you are going to take deliveries of MES and all your problem will solve, that not going to happen. A real-time data collection, integration, and analysis continue to become more critical to manufacturing business success. MES continue to evolve to address the challenges to become more integral to an overall smart manufacturing information. How digitalization to quality process and gain our new insight. 6 steps of organization can take to improve data integrity, data quality, and digitalization process. Discipline of quality management and documentation are fundamentally connected. A company is quick faced with thousands of documents, for instance, SOPs, work instructions, policies, and define and outcome and test result are recorded. So first is focus on data. Ample enterprises have already taken the steps from paper document to an electronic format. Yet they still run into problem with the challenge changes as it is not true digitalization. Unstructured document, for instance, PDFs, are difficult to search, and leveraging data from these is clumsy. Organization can overcome this is data is digitalized, accessible through structured document and available via one common platform. Second is digitalization process. Digitalization is the quality also means digitalizing the workflow and process associated with the documents and quality activity. For example, changes a parameter, then this can have consequence for the entire production process and the product life cycle. These changes should automatically be visible for everyone so that the consequence for all involved are obviously an adjustment can be made easily and quickly. If the mutual dependency are transparent, the cause of problem can also be found more rapidly. Third one is improve data quality. How we can improve the data quality? Everyone should be able to really own the data. This data should be an high standard and thus complete and correct. Organizations can drive data quality by immediately entering generated data into the system and not by first writing it down on a piece of paper. Eliminating this step allows automated flagging of deviation and collaborating sharing and reviewing the informations. Third one is monitor data integrity. Data integrity does hand in hand with data quality. Has the usage data been changed voluntarily by mistake? Is the data fully unaltered and it can be proven? And are all those involved certain that they are working with correct version of the document? Data and information should be traceable and reliable during a product entire life cycle. It is important to be certain that everyone at all time works with the same data set available from the single data source at single source of truth. Fifth one is invest in technology. The step toward a data centricity approach means imposing higher standard on the quality of data. The data should be good quality, reliable, and should be in context in order to be meaningful and should remain this way throughout a product entire life cycle. This requires integration of process and system, which can be achieved by implementing a virtual experience platform. A system helps to collect and validate data in real time, makes it centrally available, and provide capability beyond digital continuity. Sixth one, create a quality culture in the organization. Digitization of a quality system is only one part of the required change. It also requires that everyone feels responsible for quality. This is not the responsibility of a single department, but affecting a whole organization. Documentation is important, but not enough. The understanding of the impact of an activity on quality and the relevance of data quality and integrity must be part of the mindset of every employee. Analytics with digital transformation slowly and steadily taking over today's business. The world is becoming increasingly digital. This leads to the generation of massive amount of data. Organizations now get access to specific information from their external and internal operation, customer and employees. But at the same time, this huge volume of data that is generated is useless until it is leveraged to provide direction to help organization. The digitalization of modern manufacturing, whether it is called Industry 4, Industries, Internet of Things, and just smart manufacturing. The application of information and communication technology to every aspect of manufacturing is in the focus of redesigning the modern manufacturing. The digitalization of manufacturing is changing how products are designed, fabricated, used, operated, and serviced post-scale, just as it is transforming the operation, process, and energy footprints. of industries and the management of manufacturing supply chain. This merging of digitalization technology with manufacturing industries also promise to recast the landscape and global manufacturing competition. The productivity impact from the digitalization of the manufacturing. The adaptation of new digital manufacturing technologies can generate meaningfully productivity impact for companies that successfully integrated this technology into their operation. If they successfully, their productivity must be increased by 5 to 6%, reduction of machine downtime, increase in production of technical profession through automation, decrease cost of inventory holding, reduce cost of quality, and improve accuracy about forecast, and reduction in maintenance cost, and reduction in water usage cost, reduction in accident, reduction in energy efficiency improve, cutting of downtime, improve productivity with better employees expectation, reduce attrition rates of manpowers, and provide better customer experience, retain and use data for your existing customer for upselling and cross-selling, and optimize cost. Overall, worldwide report estimated that Industry 4 will increase production by 20 to 30%. Digitalization improve asset data integrity. Improved operation and maintenance can be achieved through predictive and prescribed maintenance in combination with digital twin of assets. Digital twin, one aspect of digital transformation and asset intensive industry are critical, especially during normal plant operation. The digital twin software should be interoperable with business and operation of software application to allow the straightforward digital handovers. Issue with integrated applications. Integrating different software application, internal and external to an organization so that the digital data can be exchanged is not seamless, and it is an vigorous task. Customer integration require development and testing of adapters. In addition that, when software applications are upgraded, modified or changed, software integration and testing must be performed. Again, this can be out of an organization control if the changes are made by the company with which the organization is exchanging information. And alternatively, to frequently implementing new release of an external software application is to change vendor. However, this can come with high switching cost, and owner operators will ultimately feel the pain of vendor locking. Some of the tools are available for digitalization in the pharma industry like ERP, SAP HANA, SCADA, iLabs, LIMS, Empower, Lab Solutions, EDMS, EBRs, Take and Trash, and many more are available. And some of the top manufacturers are available to support us for digital manufacturing, like these ABB, AGS, 42Q, Rockwell. These are the available. And this data I have collected from this reference. And thanks for listening. And this is my, if any query is there, then I am available at this information. And thank you.
Thank you, AJ. Thank you for your presentation. It's already 1 p.m., so we have a little bit of time. We still have a little bit of time for questions. Yes, I have a question for you, actually. And so at Sun Pharma, where you're working, what's your journey like with in terms of digitalization?
Hello, we are working on the paperless quality and EMRs.
Okay, I think AJ, I think because when you switch on your camera, the bandwidth just goes down. Maybe we can do this. We have to talk to you without that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So what's the journey like right now with Sun Pharma, where you're working now?
Sun Pharma, okay. Sun Pharma is working on a paperless quality system, and we are
All right.
successfully implemented in the 2 units, and we are having eBMRs, okay, and we are having SCADA system in the operations area to collect the online data, and this is the two data is for operation, continuous operation and batch operation both sides.
Right. And we were talking about I think one of the earlier speaker from Wareham Okun, he was describing about this journey. So, and it's a 5-10 year odyssey. Are you currently leading such a endeavor at Sun Pharma, where you're rapidly going into a transformation?
Yeah, we are leading this, and I am also the part of that software designing and during selection of the. We are one of the SME, so we are discussing with. Okay, so this still we are extending to engineering side for preventive maintenance rule and SAP HANA. We are going to product side also for manufacturing. All are controlled through system like raw material issue to delivery of the material.
Right. Excellent.
Okay.
Well, I think we have no other questions from the floor. Dr. AJ, thank you for your presentation and your time this morning.
Thank you.
And thanks for being our last presenter. So
I'm continue on online. I'm on continue.
Please